Hello, my name is John Fletcher and I run production engineering for Instructure. Instructure is the makers of Canvas, a leading learning management system. The cloud bug bit me back in 2010 when I was working on a data center to cloud migration. Having come up in the data center world, it was mind-blowing to me to see how you could transition to an a la carte model with the cloud and pick and choose services and scaling options without having to lay out massive amounts of capital expenditure. Add in the outsourcing and maintenance of the network servers and networking, and I was hooked. Without AWS, we couldn't have a couple of things. First, we were born in the cloud, and that provides us a tremendous amount of flexibility. AWS's global footprint has allowed us to reach students and teachers all over the world by allowing us to quickly spin up resources in the regions that we serve. Without AWS, our time to market would be much longer. Second, without AWS, we would have had a very hard time handling the COVID pandemic. Seemingly overnight, the usage on our Canvas LMS doubled, but we were able to quickly scale resources to meet the demand. And this has allowed us to stay up for our customers during this crucial time so learning can continue. My favorite AWS service is SES, Simple Email Service. This may not be the sexiest answer, but it is vital for us. We send an awful lot of emails every year. But SES is such a pure managed service that we don't have to worry about it. And it frees us up to go work on projects that are more aligned with business goals. And I remember what it was like running a large email installation and all the care and feeding that went into it. I'm very thankful that we do not have to worry about this anymore.